Well, that's what's going on right now. A whole lot of rain. But, you know, it is what it is, man. It's all good. A crappy weekend as far as the weather goes. Personally, I just don't ride out in this. I don't ride in this. It's not worth it to me. It's not worth it. Not on a leader bike. If I had my Can-Am or something, I would definitely be out in here because I have all the stability in the world on the Can-Am. But not on a two-door. Making a video. What's the matter? It is a lot of rain today. It's a ton of rain. Look at that. Look at all the rain. It's like no. All the rain just like coming down. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, so like I was saying, I don't ride in this, man. It sucks. I really do want to ride. But, you know, then again, I just had a lot of stuff happen. I'm like pretty some stuff happened like pretty quickly that I was not expecting. And you know, that's life. Things always happen unexpectedly. But yeah, this was crazy. This was absolutely crazy. So I had some really crappy business stuff happen to me that really set things back, and not only set things back, it caused a lot of unwanted stress this past week. One of the platforms that I sell on, Etsy, randomly paused the store, didn't suspend the store, but paused the store and put us on vacation mode because of a customer service issue. The issue thing is that I had just received service badges for this month of September for my customer service, and yet they shut me down because of the customer service. And I was so confused, couldn't get a hold of anybody. Etsy is like one of the most hugest companies, e-commerce companies ever, that has absolutely zero customer support. I don't understand how you can run a company this large and have almost no real humans to speak to. It's absolutely insane. So I went days and days and days, the entire week, trying to appeal, trying to email, no return calls, no return emails, trying to figure out what the hell is going on, because every day that passes by, I'm losing money. So I don't even understand what that was. But every single day that's going by, I'm losing money. And I got bills due. I got things coming up. I got things I got to pay for. And it sucked, man. It absolutely sucked. And so, you know, it's been a shitty week. And, when you're looming and you know that you're about to owe money, like the last thing I can do or want to concentrate on is having fun. So I didn't ride my bike all week because I've been stressed out about this thing so much. And then as I get this thing resolved this weekend, it's doing this. It's just pouring down rain. And so now I'm just like, damn, that sucks, man. Like, I wanted to blow off some steam by going to ride, and then now look at this. I can't. So, you know, it's been a rough week, man. It's been a really rough week, and you know, you just gotta take the blows, man. Take them how they come. Take them how they, you know, take whatever life gives to you, man, and make the best of it. I did complete some stuff today, though, this weekend. I had to rechange out some recessed lighting. Oh, that was the hardest thing ever, but I got that done. Still got 3 more to install, and I'm gonna have to order more. All of the recessed lighting from once we moved into the house when it was built, they're all starting to go out, like, one by one. And so I'm just gonna have to replace them all. And it's a pain. It's a real pain. Because they didn't use quick connectors on ours. You have to like twist it on and all. It's annoying. But anyways, yeah. It's been a week. It's been a week. So, you know, hopefully things change. Freaking microphone died on me. I'm kind of glad, I guess. I thought I was gonna go out this morning. It would have been dead. But yeah, we're gonna just figure it out, man. Hopefully this week is much better. I did have an interview last week. Still haven't heard back. Not sure if anything's gonna come about. but hopefully it does. I'll just keep looking to see what's out there, you know what I'm saying? Because I need a new truck. I need to pay this thing off. I got to get my daughter a car. I need some more income. So I got to get back out there and make it happen. So yeah, man. So all we're doing today is football and beer. Football and beer today. Hopefully get some good food and whatever. But anyways, sorry to bore you guys. I appreciate all the freaking support that I've been getting. That you guys are sharing, man. All the support been pretty amazing. We're almost at 700, and to me that's a huge deal. I'm gonna try to figure out what I could do for you guys to celebrate 700 when we hit 700 supporters. I think that's a huge milestone, even more so than getting to 1,000, because it's about the quality engagement. And so yeah, I think it's really, really cool. We're chugging along, man. It's slow and steady, like I always said, slow and steady. Let's keep it going, and then I'll keep pumping out content for you guys, man, because like I said, I love it, you know what I'm saying? This past week though, man, whew, it's been rough. It's been really rough. It took a lot just to even bring the camera out now to do something, because I've just been in that kind of mood where I'm just like, I don't want to do nothing. Like, one of the other things that I am gonna start doing, honestly, for my mental health is gonna get back into camping. I say get back into it like I used to do it or something, but obviously I used to do it when I was little, but that was a long time ago. But I'm gonna be getting back into camping and or getting into camping a lot more. Try to get the family out of the house and just experience some outdoor stuff. Especially when a lot of the people we're gonna be having like Feast of Tabernacles coming up next month in October. I'm hoping I can get most of the stuff in to be able to go to that, be able to get out there with my family and stuff, and celebrate the Feast of Tabernacles. Hopefully, I'm hoping that I can get all the stuff here in time. I don't know if it's going to be able to happen. It's a lot of stuff. Don't have a job, so I don't know if it's going to happen like right away, but we're going to be building up to that. But I did order some stuff already. And we're gonna start pitching tent in the damn backyard just to get ready, prepare for it, and you know, just prepare to go camping in general. I think it's gonna be a huge boost for myself, mentally, and just help me think and stuff like that. So yeah, and I gotta go to Walmart, and since I'm a veteran, I need to go back and get my fishing license. Need to get that fishing license for sure for when I start going to the state park, get some fishing reels and stuff like that for the kids. And yeah, man, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Good times. But anyways, I'm not gonna bore you guys with all that. I'm just letting you know we got some stuff working, got some stuff going. If I can figure out how to get this tent on my motorcycle, I'll take my motorcycle. But nah, it's too much shit that I need to ride on the motorcycle. My wife would have to follow me in the car. But anyways, yeah, I'm blabbing. It's one of those days. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.